Here's how to remove someone from a Messenger group chat. Now open up Facebook Messenger on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. Let's first just navigate to that group chat. Let's say this one in this case. If I wanted to remove somebody from this group chat, keep in mind the first criteria is that you need to be an admin of that group. So let's first just check that. Within that group chat, let's tap at the very top and then tap on See Chat Members. You'll be able to see all of the chat members within that group. Let's tap over to Admins and make sure that your name is on this list. If you are on this list, you can remove somebody from that group chat. Now let's go over back to All and find the person that you wanted to remove. From here, you'll be able to see their name with the 3 dots next to their name. Just tap on that, and then you'll be able to see Remove from Group. Just like that, if you tap on it, they are removed from that group chat. You can always invite them back by tapping on the little plus, tapping on their name, and hitting Add, and it will add them directly back to that group chat.